Going on, folks? So we got the REDCAT Machete out today. This thing is probably the lowest off-road vehicle on the market. Flat out. Alright, what's going on, guys? So, they finally showed up. REDCAT 6S Machete parts. So they did give us some rears, fronts. Let me take them out. Alright, here we go. So these are the fronts. A-arms, they do look a little bit more beefy. We're gonna swap both the front out. The rear, so I guess they are different. They look exactly the same to me. Maybe one might be longer than the other. I'm not sure. Also, I just got these parts in for my Outcast 6S wing mount broke. So REDCAT sent out new parts. We got the 6S machete, you know, all the good stuff, part support. They even send you a little love letter explaining what they sent out to you for free. We got drive shafts, so I guess these are not hollowed out. These are supposed to be upgraded. And I think this is for the shocks. So these are for the bottom of the shocks. Oh, this right here, yeah, this is a little project I'm working on. So we're almost done. I got the pole in. This was probably the hardest part to do, was this. Because you had to take all of this apart, this whole back end. So I couldn't figure out where this went. It's so funny. I took it apart, took this off, just threw it in a bag, and I'm like, damn, where the hell does this go? And there's like really no instruction diagram in the book that tells you where this goes. But figured it out. But we're gonna go ahead, put this back together, and get it out of here. It's been in here way too long. Can't even eat at the table. It's a workshop. It's insane. So, we had to take out the transmission. After running it, my last run, we noticed the motor came loose. The screws came a little bit loose, unbacked themselves, like the Loctite melted off. We overheated it. The fan gave in. So, the swastika fan is no more. It is done. But we got another one. It's a little bit bigger. It fit. We got lucky. So, see how that do. I think what saved me from blowing this motor, overheating it, was the batteries died. I didn't know the fan gave out. But when I touched that motor, it was super hot. So, I think I was like minutes away from blowing the motor. So, thank goodness for the low voltage shutoff. Took the diff out. I think this is a locking screw. I think you can lock this diff, man. Not 100%, but I think that's what that is. But I'm gonna put some million weight diff fluid in there. Got some of this. So I'm gonna put a million in the middle. I do have the upgraded drive shafts. I'm not gonna change it yet. I'm gonna see if these twist. If not, I'm gonna just keep it the way it is. And yeah, so, oh yeah, the updated arms, put those in. This is like the easiest swap I've ever done with A-arms. Other than that, she's still good to go. So I'm gonna put everything back together and see how it rides. Hopefully it's a big improvement. I ain't gonna touch the front and rear yet. I'm gonna start with the center first, and then take it from there. Alright, get right guys, so the REDCAT Machete, it's all back put together. This is what happened. It's the broken part. This is what we lost. Look at that screw. There's like barely any meat on that. It's insane. Looks almost identical. Yeah, both sides. I did both sides. Just get it out the way. I can't believe that. Look at that thing. I'm glad they addressed that. That's insane. There's like no meat on those teeth. But we're good now. We're gonna take it out. This thing is bone stock. Only thing I did was put a 19 tooth pinion. It seems like that's the biggest you're gonna fit in there without having any problems. But yeah, we're good. Let's see if I can backflip this thing. All right, guys, take this bad boy out for a rip. What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good Saturday. Today we got the REDCAT Machete all back together. I got the new parts on. It took me a little longer than I thought because when I hit the tree, I bent the dog bone. So the actual dog bone bent. So I had to take it to the vise and try to straighten it as best as I can. It's this one. So it's still a little shaky, but I don't know, I think it'll do. A little vibration, but not major. But quick size comparison, that's how it looks compared to the XRT. So, both of these cars haven't had much airtime. When I mean airtime, I mean ramp time. So, we're gonna go ahead and send these off the ramp today. Hopefully we don't break nothing. But if we do, hey man, it's the name of the game, right? Alright guys, here we go. Chassis slap, camera keep coming off. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I hope y'all got that. Y'all seen that? Oh, yeah. Yo, you guys just saw that? Shredder. Yeah, Aussie chick, man. She did that. That was really me. Damage report. We got a broken wing, guys. You know what's so good about this? Haven't used my gift card yet, so I gotta ring. Yep. Oh shit. That was a nasty lander. I should have just stayed on the gas. This truck is not made for this, man. I'm surprised she took all that abuse. I'm really hammering it. I think my gear mesh is a little too tight. Let me check my motor temps. Yeah, something's built. Ooh. Well, there you have it. You've seen it for yourself. That was a real bad crash. Real bad. Nasty. Wings broke. This pumped out. That's what happens. Oh, we were doing so good. Yep. Other than that, what's this? That looks normal. Other than that, everything else looks pretty good. Broken wing mount. ESC came off. Alright, well. Oh, we got a little stress mark right there. Chassis looks pretty good though, I think. That thing landed real bad. That was a real bad crash, man. Oh, there you guys have it, man. It's the REDCAT Machete. Again, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll get back to you. Alright. Peace.
Purchase your track today.